Okay, so I'm going to start here by telling you that I'm using this tool which is called cast-o-matic, and it's free, but it does only very short videos. I only have like, I don't know, 10 minutes to make a video, which is more than enough time because you don't want to make a video for longer than that. Okay, so let's start out with what I'm going to be talking about. So one of the best things you can do for your students is to embed articles or objects into your announcements and your course materials so that the students don't have to go looking around for it or follow a link. And for some reason, students don't like to follow links. So I like to put the article right in. So this is how you can do it. So I'm going to go into this article, Rethinking Your Assignments for Online Learning. And a lot of times they don't add this really interesting link thing here, which if I click on this, it's got this wonderful link. If they don't include that, you can just go up here to the URL and just copy that. Okay, and then I'm going to use a really great tool called iframe generator. You're going to find it at iframegenerator.com. And this will write the code for embedding objects into iCollege for you. So I'm going to go right here to where it says HTTPS, which is the address, and I'm going to paste it in there. And then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to look at the width and the height. I like the height actually to be about 900 so that it's big enough for my students to see the article, because 400 is going to be too small. They're just going to see the front of the article, the top of the article. I want a scroll bar because that's always nice to have. Unless you are embedding an object that's really small. And I'm going to change the name of it because I like to keep them straight in my iCollege media files. So I'm going to call this Online Learning. And so I've got everything set up, and I'm going to just generate the code. Okay, so here's the code. I'm going to copy it. You can also preview it to make sure that it works. Maybe I should do that. Yeah, see, it works. Woohoo! Okay, so now I'm going to go over here. As I said, I copied this. Okay, so I'm going to go into my announcements, and I'm just going to click on this little arrow thing for insert stuff. And those are the technical terms, arrow thing. Here's my enter embed code. Okay, and then I'm just going to paste it in there. All right, next. And it says we blocked this for you. It does this automatically. I'm going to allow it, and then I'm going to insert it. Okay, and then I'm just going to highlight this really quick, and I'm going to move it over to the center because I like to have it in the center. Okay, and then I'm going to update my article. That's basically saving it. And when I get on here, you're going to see that the students will be able to see the article. That would be you guys. And there's a nice little scroll bar here. Now it's not in the center, which still is, it's bugging the heck out of me. So I'm going to go back up here to edit this article. And I'm going to try to figure out why it's not in the center. Maybe I'll start from up there higher. And then move this to the center and then update it. Ah, oh no, it made this into the center. So I'm just going to click on this really quick. Maybe if I hit a return right here, and then I click on this and I move it to the left. There we go. Sometimes you have to mess around a little bit. Here we go. Update. Ah, well, I guess it's just going to stick there. But anyway, I have my object in there. And I will be posting this video after the object in my my posting for you.